Hey guys, it's Ken back with another reaction video. This is Steven Seagal's with the cover of AC/DC's Thunderstruck Live. Just based off of the like cover image, it's a guy shirtless with a banjo. I have a feeling this is going to be really awesome and unique. So let's take a look.
I was caught in the middle of a railroad track. Moved around and I knew there was no turning back. My mind raced and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck. Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went to the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools. Yeah, yeah, they blew my mind. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck. 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 I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Hey, hey. You've been thunderstruck. 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 Yeah, yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Oh, thunderstruck. 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 You've been thunderstruck.
That was awesome. I absolutely loved it. They have their own style, they have their own look. They're doing this whole unique use of tools as instruments, a unique variety of instruments, some that it wouldn't seem like would even go together. I just thought this was so cleverly done. Their voices were great. They harmonized well together. They kept it true enough to the original while still taking it in a completely different direction and making it their own. I would love to see more videos by these guys. This is such a cool thing that they're doing. And yeah, it thrills me to see people doing this kind of stuff because it is so out of the box and so original in comparison to just setting up a camera and singing. So, yeah, anyway, I loved it. Hope you loved it too. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below with your thoughts on this performance. Then head on over to michkent.com to submit your requests, upvote requests you would like to see. Check out Facebook, Patreon, PayPal, all good ways to support the channel, all of them immensely appreciated. Give some love to the channel sponsor, React2. The React2 app is on iOS, and it is completely free and completely awesome. I guarantee it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next reaction video.